Hey guys, Nathan here. Just wanted to do a quick update on a subject I thought you all might find interesting. For those of us that use Windows XP, there's a big change coming to the Windows XP software on April 8th. And that is, support will no longer be available for Microsoft Windows XP. Now if you run Windows 7 or Windows 8 or 8.1, everything's fine. Business will be as normal. But in 1 month from today, which today's the 8th of March, Windows XP supports will no longer be available. And you can find this out by going to the Microsoft Windows website. And it says on April 8th, 2014, supports and updates for Windows XP will be no longer available. And I mean, that doesn't mean that you can't use Windows XP after the support runs out. It just makes your system a little bit more vulnerable to security breaches and viruses and things like that, which I try to keep a good updated virus software on this computer. I use Trend Micro, but that doesn't mean that Trend Micro will be compatible in the next update with Windows XP anymore. You know, that's the chance I take. It says that a lot of stuff that's coming out, new cameras or devices, will not have XP support on them no more. So you kind of take a chance in things being compatible. Computer printers, cameras, scanners, blah blah blah. Anything that you plug into your PC that's plug and play might not be supported. And of course it says, how do I stay protected? Well, what's it tell you to do? See if you can upgrade to Windows 8.1. Well, I hate to say it, this old HP laptop is not going to support Windows 7 or 8.1. It's got a 30 gig hard drive and it has a hard enough time handling Windows XP. So in addition to my computer down here in the shop, which I basically just use for schematic searching, and I don't order nothing over Windows XP down here or do any money handling on this system. I just basically use it as a schematic tool, you know, just to view stuff like that and check my email and things like that. This also affects my computer upstairs, my desktop that I use for recording music and stuff like that. Now there again, I don't use that old dinosaur to surf on the internet too. It's just too slow. And I don't recommend unplugging these computers from the internet after April 8th. I kind of learned the hard way with that desktop upstairs. I used to have a Linux operating software on that one. Ubuntu, I think is what it was called. And when it reached its EOL, I just basically unplugged it from the internet because it couldn't find no updates, and the software that I had installed on there couldn't find an update to get to the next current version of Ubuntu, so I just basically wiped the hard drive and put Windows XP back on it. But it made that system just really stupid after I unplugged it from the internet. It was still getting upgrades for some of the other peripherals and stuff that was attached to the system, so it made it really, really sluggish. And putting XP back on it made it run good again, but it's just still really slow on the internet for the age of the machine. So I wanted to pass that along. You know, I rambled a little bit here and got away from my point, but as of April 8th, Windows XP will no longer be supported.